One of the best way to make your video get visibility is by using keywords. Hey my loves, welcome back to my channel. It's your fave, Sumi Francis. If this is your first time of coming across this face, please don't make it your last, because we are going to have a lot of fully packaged video in this channel to educate you. So right now, go get a pen, get a book, sit down and listen and jot down what we are about to dish out to you. We give value, all right? So guys, in this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to create keywords or where to get keywords to help your videos gain visibility here on YouTube. Because keywords are very, very essential when it comes to getting visibility here on YouTube. What keyword does is it helps viewers find your videos when they go into search. Now, for example, please pay attention to your screen. I'm going to be showing you an example, the importance of keywords, okay? Look here, we are going to be searching for some keywords and you're going to see the videos that are going to pop up. All right, now let's dive in. Okay, look over here on your screen. Just look at your screen right now. We are going to be searching. Okay, let us search for the word dine well. All right, dine well, that's a keyword on its own. Let's search for dine well. All right, now you can see there are different videos popping up. Good. Now look at this video. This is my video. All right, this is my video. Now let us go back for my other channel. Let us go back and count how many videos popped up before mine. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you can see the fourth video was my video. Now this is from my other channel. Okay, now this is as a result of keywords. Okay, dine well was the keyword. Now let's create another example. All right, now let's type fake Vaseline oil. Let's search. Now you can see the videos that are popping up. Okay, look, now this other one is my video. Now let's count. 1, 2. Now you can see this second one is also my video from my other channel. Now let's do another one, another example with this my channel, with this particular channel. Now let's type end screen tutorials and let's see what's going to come up. Okay, now this is it. Let's move on. Yes, now you can see my own video, right? Now let us count how many video came up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now you can see the fifth one is my video. Now, so that is it. I'm just showing you that, okay, for example, so you can understand the importance of keywords. Now I'm going to be teaching you how you can get good keywords, okay? Good keywords that's going to help the algorithm push out your video whenever viewers come on YouTube to search for a particular word or a particular content. So your videos will also be among the ones that YouTube is going to display for viewers to click. All right, guys, without wasting of time, let's dive straight into the video. All right, guys, the first thing we're going to do, we're going to go to our Play Store. Okay, we're going to go to our Play Store and we're going to type YouTube. Okay, YouTube. This is the app we are going to be making use of. Okay, now this is it, YouTube over here. Okay, mine is indicating open because I already have the app on my phone. But if you don't have the app, you're going to install the app. So we're going to open it. After opening it, whatever it shows you, if it asks you to sign up, just sign up and that's it. Right now we have tag extractor, we have keyword suggestion, we have AY generator, we have grow channel, we have rank checker, we have more tools. Okay, now all this works for different things. Okay, and you don't have to pay monthly for it. Okay, it's free as long as you have your data on. You can access this. Okay, This tag extractor is good to help you. This keyword suggestion is going to help you. Now, the one I majorly use is this AI generator. Okay, this AI generator, this is the one I always make use of. So we're going to click on AI generator. This AI generator is going to help you generate your full content, both with your script. Okay, now let's say, for example, we want to search how to get 1,000. Okay, how to get 1,000 subscriber in 1 week. Okay, now we're going to click on search. Okay, I hope you can. I'm going to click on search. Yes, search. So now this is it. Okay, now it has given us a better title idea. Now we are not going into all of this. We are looking after keywords. Okay, now we're going to go straight to keywords, which is this. Now you can see it has produced keywords. Okay, let me see come up and explain further. Now it has given you a better video title, get 1,000 subscribers in just 7 days. If you're not okay with this video title, you should just all you just do is to click on generate more titles. Once you click on it, to give you more titles. Now you can see description. It has given you a description, what you have to fix in your description box. All you need to do is just to click on copy. Okay, if you want to edit anything, once you copy it on your description box, then you can edit it there. Now this is keywords, okay, that we're after. Well, we're going to come back to that. Now this is video script. Okay, you can see it here, video script. Read more. Now look at it, has given you a full video script. If you don't know how to arrange your words, okay, it has given you a full script. Okay, so all you do is to copy, but we are not going to that. It usually displays thumbnail also, but not in all cases. Most time when the network is very strong to display. Now this is our keywords. Okay, so what you just do is to copy the keywords. Okay, and once you've copied your keywords, while uploading your video, you just fix in your keywords. Now let us copy these keywords. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to fix in your keywords. Now let's go to our Chrome browser. Chrome browser. All right, now I have my studio here, or my other channel. If you've been following my channel, you know how to come here. You just type studio.youtube.com. On some other people's browser, you have to click on YouTube Studio.desktop site, whichever one works for you. Okay, now let me make this very bold. Okay, now let us create video, upload the video. Okay, now this is it. Select. Okay, let's allow it to open. It's an image. Just go to your video, whatever way you can get your video, you get it. Okay, now let's make use of this video. For example, okay, we're waiting for it. Now let me bring it now a little bit. Okay, so now this is space for your title. You input your title, you input your description over here. Now this is place for thumbnail. You input your thumbnail. You even have place to test your thumbnail. If you have 2 or 3 other thumbnails and you don't know which is better, you could test them here, and the one that's good will be selected. Now you scroll. This is show more results. Okay, show more. Okay, now you just keep on scrolling. Now you can see this is place for tags. Okay, this is place for tags. So what you just do is to click on it. Okay, to click on it, let me make it bold a little. Okay, yeah, what you do is to click on it. Okay, then you copy. Now you can see it. Now because it has the name of the application, so what you just erase I hope you can see what I'm doing. Let me make it a little bit bold. Okay. Yeah. Look at the name here. YouTube's. Okay. Generated using YouTube. So we are going to take this away. This generated. So this is it. You just erase it. You have to be very careful while erasing so you don't mistakenly erase the whole keywords. Now this is it. Generate. Now we are done erasing it. So you just place a full stop. Now that is how to add keywords to your video. Now we've added these keywords, and that is just how to do it to get a good keywords to hit the YouTube algorithm. And I hope these tutorials have been able to help someone out there. All right, do me well to subscribe to this channel. If you've not subscribed to this channel, turn on your post notification bell so you can always get notified when next we drop a new video. And I'll wait back to back good video content from this very channel. See you next time. Don't forget, this shouldn't be your last time of seeing this face. Bye bye.